cool is this? New technology in your home with the snap of a finger and a quick change. I'm with Jesse Leachman of Snap Power, and he's going to talk with us about their product that you can change your home to be new technology oriented immediately. Cool. Thanks for joining me, Jesse.
You bet.
So talk with me about how this works.
Awesome, yeah. So what we did is we took a standard electrical outlet cover plate and we built in some really cool functionality. So this particular product is our Snap Power Guide Light. It's LED night lights built right into the cover plate. Works really simple. All you do is you take off the old cover plate from your standard outlet, you throw it away, you grab ours. These prongs on the back of the outlet, those contacts actually just draw power directly from the outlet. So there's no batteries and no rewiring of anything. So you leave the outlet alone, you grab our product, and you install it just like that.
And then it becomes a night light?
Yeah, absolutely. So there's a light sensor back here. So during the day, it looks like a standard outlet, and at night when the lights turn off, you get...
Wow, how cool is that?
Lighting, yeah.
So in a child's room, in a kitchen, in a bathroom, a great way to add technology to the home. Okay, so let's talk about another switch plate cover that you can do.
Awesome. So this product here is a USB charging product. So it's two USB charging ports built in right into the side of the cover plate. So the same idea. You replace your old cover plate with our USB charger. Those prongs draw power right from the outlets. Installs just like that, and that's it.
Okay, so this doesn't have the night light, but I can put this in my kitchen, I can put this in my bedroom, and I have a great new USB, two-sided, instantly. And a consumer can do this by themselves, does not need an electrician.
Absolutely.
How cool is that?
Yeah, it takes about 10 to 15 seconds to install these products. You screw them in and secure them, and you can charge any USB powered device with that.
Love it. Thank you for joining me.
Okay, thank you.